Hi, Brad from bradsautoglass.com. Just a quick word about our urethane that we sell in the store, the Dow 428 Plus. Has a very large nozzle on it, and in order to get it to work in my conventional caulk gun that I bought at a local hardware, I found that I had to come in here and just notch this out a tiny little bit so that it would fit all the way down snug, and that's important. And then one other thing too is in our kit that we sell, we also sell the Beta Prime, and you just take this and you push it down and twist it, and this will fill with a black primer, and this is for priming plastic. You cannot use this adhesive to plastic if you don't prime it first, so it's really important that you understand that. And one other thing that we have to do is this urethane needs to be heated to about 140 degrees, so setting on a hot dashboard in the south for a couple hours is good, or in a box with a hair dryer. Pause. Alright, so I want to show you real quick because people have asked. Just take and make a hole in a box with a razor knife that you can stick your hair dryer in. It doesn't have to be airtight. It just has to fit into the hole. Put your hair dryer on low, stick the tube of urethane where the air is flowing, and just lightly close the box. Make sure that there's air flowing out of the box. Let that set for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you hear the hair dryer shutting off, you need more ventilation because the hair dryer is overheating.